Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to YouTube channel Cloudy Malakan. Today is 31st of August 2019 Saturday. In this tutorial we will say about Saudi Riyal exchange rates. So let's get started. Of all, we will say about Injaz Bank rates that Injaz Bank gave 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,717.47 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 47.50 rupee and for Philippines 13.80 peso. Pauri Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,713.86 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 47.55 rupee and for Philippines 13.91 peso. NB Arab National Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,448.27 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.40 rupee and for Philippines 13.59 peso. Al Raji Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,717.47 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 47.59 rupee and for Philippines 13.78 peso. So far Express is concerned, Express gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,717.47 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 47.59 rupee and for Philippines 13.78 peso. Western Union gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,754.78 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 47.62 rupee and for Philippines 13.74 peso. MoneyGram gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,738.55 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 47.91 rupee and for Philippines 13.95 peso. In the last we will say Riyadh Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,058.10 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 47.25 rupee and for Philippines 13.82 peso. These are the latest Saudi Riyal rates. Thanks for watching.